Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create multiple WhatsApp accounts on one WhatsApp app. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited WhatsApp accounts, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So you need to make sure you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Now update your WhatsApp over here. Now once you have updated your WhatsApp over here, make sure you update your WhatsApp. So once you have updated your WhatsApp, all you need to do is to go and open your WhatsApp application. So make sure you update your WhatsApp and open your WhatsApp. Now once you open your WhatsApp, click on the three lines at the top right corner, and then once you click on that, you need to make sure you click on your settings over here, and you can see your account. So you can see the plus sign over here. So click on this plus and you can see add account. So click on add account. Now just wait as it is loading over here. Now once you click on add account, just wait as it is loading and it will take you to the next step. So once you click on add account, after loading, it will demand for the account you want to add. So just enter the account you want to, the number you want to add, and that's all. It's very simple. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.